The number one thing to do when you are eating to live the Nutritarian lifestyle way is, hey there, it's Coach Nancy from The Watering Mouth. And the number one thing to do when eating to live is learn to be bored. Yeah, bored. It sounds so, boring. It just sounds like, uncomfortable. But honestly, folks, learning to be bored with your food, eating the same kinds of food all the time, plants, just eat plants, eating the same meal even 4 days in a row. Learn to love that. Learn to expect that every meal is not a party in your mouth. That's the key to this lifestyle. Totally be bored. Be meh. It's time to eat. All right, I'll have a salad. Yep, I think I'll have some more greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, seeds, nuts. Boring, plain, simple, boring. But you know what? That's the key to success. It really is. Because if the food is a party in your mouth all of the time, then you're just stimulating your appetite. Then you're just wanting to, you're like daring yourself to have a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of excitement here and a little bit of exciting food there. And then before you know it, you've expanded the foods that you're eating and you're away from eating to live and you're starting to live to eat. So the number one key is to learn to be okay with boring food. Now, if that sounds terrible to you, and if you can't imagine living without food that's exciting, my tip is to make sure that your life is exciting and your food doesn't have to be your source of entertainment. I'm Coach Nancy, and I would be glad to help you. Would you like some support in making your food boring and your life exciting? Then go to thewateringmouth.com/coachwithnancy and sign up for a mini session, and we can talk all about how I can support you in your eating to live. Until next time, it's Coach Nancy. Bye-bye.